Hey everyone, today we're going to be installing the front and rear fender by EAG. So this is the fender right off from the package. So this is the rear fender and I'm going to be showing you guys everything that comes included. So this is all that it comes with, and of course you're going to need your power tools to install it. This is everything that comes with the front fenders, and in the tutorial we're going to go ahead and start off with the front. So the first thing you will do is remove the stock fenders. Next, you're going to take your reinforcement bracket and you're going to place it in place and make sure that all the holes line up. From there, you're going to mark and drill new holes if needed. Then you're going to go ahead and place the fenders and screw them in tightly. I wanted to mention, if you decide to run the rubber strips along the fender, make sure that you do this prior to tightening the bolts. However, I chose not to run the rubber strips. So this is what it should look like when everything is already securely in place. And now the last and final step is to rewire the lights. So once you have that working, then this is what they look like for the front fenders. Now we're going to move on to the back fenders. Make sure you install your nutserts into the designated holes. Mark and drill holes if needed. Then place your fenders and securely tighten. Again, if you choose to run the rubber strips, make sure to install prior to tightening. And this is a completed look. And now that you're all done, you're ready to hit the trails and enjoy your new fenders. I absolutely love them. Now, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.